incongruency triangle ABC and triangle PQR. ठीक है. So if given angle A is equal to angle P given, and AB is equal to PQ given, then angle B is equal to angle Q given. ठीक है. एंगल ए इज इक्वल टू एंगल पी, ये साइड इसको बोलते हैं इंक्लूडिंग साइड. So when two pairs of corresponding angles are equal and including side is equal, right? Then by ASA मतलब एंगल साइड एंगल congruency triangles are equal. Triangles are
equal,
are congruent. Congruency, right? So they are congruent by ASA congruency, right? And if ये तो ठीक है, मतलब if two pair of corresponding angles are equal, right? And non-including sides are equal, and non-including side means angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, and BC is equal to QR. Then by AAS congruency. AAS angle side, angle ये this angle equal to this angle is equal to this, and this side is equal to this, non including side. ये वाली side इस this side is equal, then it is said to be by AAS congruency. triangles are congruent. Now, दो conditions हैं. If two pairs of corresponding angles are equal and including sides are equal, then by ASA. And when two pairs of corresponding angles are equal and non-including side is equal. In non-including मतलब side which is not in between equal sides. When side between two equal angles is known as including side. When side not in between two equal sides, it is called non-including side. When non-including sides are equal, then they are said to be congruent by AAS congruency. They are almost same. They are almost same. So this is, we have ASA congruency. And the next one is, should I write this?
Yes.
And another one, we have incongruency. Incongruency if this is ABC. What? ABC. ABC and PQR. PQR. ये एंगल B मतलब एंगल B is of 90 degree. So these triangle ABC and triangle PQR right angled triangle. What happens? You want to ask something? What? Just wait. This is, so when between two triangles, one pair of corresponding angle, one pair of corresponding angle of 90 degree, one pair of corresponding angle of 90 degree and hypotenuse are equal, and out of two hypotenuse are equal and out of two one pair of corresponding sides are equal. One pair is one pair of corresponding angle of 90 degree, hypotenuse is equal, and out of two one pair of corresponding sides are equal, then by RHS congruency triangles are equal. Triangles are equal. RHS congruency, triangles are congruent here. Congruent. You get this? So this is known as RHS congruency. This is RHS congruency. Right angle, hypotenuse, side. ठीक है? क्या? This is right angle. This is hypotenuse. And this is side. Right? This is VA. This is VA RHS congruency. So we gone through with AS, ASA, AS or RHS. All these three congruencies are there. Right? Okay. In the meantime, we just go through with it. What is your question? What is your question number 12 you are asking? Acha, diagram is given. Okay, show me. ये अच्छा क्या नाम है
ACEF.
ठीक है there is one triangle is like this yes this is right another triangle is okay so this side is equal to this and this is parallel all these sides are parallel मतलब AB is parallel to EF is equal to DC. So AB parallel to EF is parallel to DC. Right? Now what happens? What you have to find? EF. Okay. For getting this is how much is given? This is of 5 centimeter. This is of 10 centimeter. Right? This is of 18 centimeter. And this is of this we have to find. Huh? So in triangle, this is said to be G. In triangle DCG and triangle EGF, right? These are angle DGC, angle DGC is equal to angle EGF by vertically opposite. Right? And angle EFG is equal to angle EFG is equal to angle CDG. Alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. These two angles. So by AA similarity triangle DCG is similar to triangle EGF, right? And what happens? EGF. DCG is equal to EGF. Then what happens?
यहाँ एक चीज दिखा, यहाँ जल्दी से यहाँ एक जुजू वाली, यहाँ आओ, एक चीज दिखाए, जुजू बुल्ली, आओ देखना है कि नहीं? नहीं देखना है? ना देखो।
This angle is opposite to this, na? These two angles are equal.
जरा ये बताओ।
Vertically opposite angles. So this is EF is equal to DC. EF is equal to EF upon पहले किसको लिया? DCG को ना, तो हम लेंगे DC upon EF. DC upon EF is equal to and this GC upon EG, right? So therefore we have DC is how much? 18 upon EF you have to find out. GC is 10 upon 5. So 2 times 5 becomes 10 and 9 times 2 becomes 18. So EF is equal to 18 centimeter. You get it? Oh, sorry. This is 9, na? So it is 9 centimeter. EF is of 9 centimeter. Is it correct? This is we have 9 centimeter. And EF is of 9 centimeter. Na? What next? How we can do that? Another part is what? We have to find this AC. How we can get that? Oh yeah, this is giving you 15 centimeter. Huh? These are parallel lines, so they are corresponding angles, and this angle is same. Huh? Then what happens? Here in triangle, should I have this? So EF is of 19 and
यहीं बैठा हूँ।
and
अब मम्मी बाहर है।
मैं फोन देख रहा हूँ।
in triangle ACB and triangle EFC, right? Then what happens? Angle ABC is equal to angle EFC. Corresponding angle and angle C is equal to angle C common by A similarity triangles triangle ABC is similar to triangle EFC. राइट. सो अब क्या हुआ? AC upon EC is equal to AB upon EF. Right? So what do you get here? AC we have to find, na? EC is
15.
नहीं EC is 15. Here it is 15 is equal to AB is 15 and EF is 9. Huh? So what happens? 3 times 3 and this is 5 times 3, right? And this is 3 times 3 1 times 3 becomes 3 and 5 times 3 becomes 15. And when it is multiplied, it is AC is equal to 5 into 5. It becomes 25 centimeter. AC is equal to 25 centimeter. What is your answer? You get it? So AC is 25 centimeter and EF is equal to, EF was how much? 15 I hope. No, EF was 9. है ना? EF was 9 centimeter. EF I use 9 and it's 9, right? So done we have? Sufficient, na? You done?
I tried the first question by.
First you have done?
Yes, sir.
What you have done?
And by